My experience so far has been unlike anything I had expected. I tried to come in with a pretty open mind, but there was always some hidden expectations, and just the space that Alex has provided for us to open up and express ourselves has been amazing. Yeah, my name's Tommy. I joined Breathing Cold because I've been on a bit of a self-discovery journey for a few years now, and I had been doing some forms of breathing off and on over the last couple of years, and I never found that consistency. I never really found my groove in breathing. It was always on and off, so I joined to really find my style and integrate that into my life and find consistency with breathing. The problem I was really aiming to address in my life was opening up, opening my heart and finding my voice and expressing my truth. So my biggest breakthrough has been to reconnect with my dad. So our relationship went downhill after I worked with him for about 10 years. It was just a purely professional employee-boss relationship, and the father-son element was basically gone. So the first time in a long time, I told my dad I loved him, and he told me he loved me back last night, so that was pretty special for me. The thing I like the most about the training is definitely the space that Alex sets in there being no hierarchy. So I used to look at a facilitator or a coach as someone above me and someone to look up to, but what the way Alex set the space was that everyone's learning, everyone's equal and doing their own thing, so that was cool. My message to anyone looking to join the Breathing Cold training would be just to jump in and do it. From my own experience, there's always expectations and an idea of the way that I would think things are going to go. But once you get there, it's nothing like you could have imagined. So